Hello again, it's Katherine Gibson, independent Scentsy consultant, and welcome back. I am here with the March 2022 Whiff Box. Now, this is a heavy one. I am in a different spot today in my office, but facing a window, and I'm looking at an early March, mid-March snowstorm. I don't know about you, but a late snowstorm gives me all the feels for spring. I'm so ready for the snow to be gone and to give my house a clean and freshen things up. And it looks like this month's Whiff Box might help me do just that. So there's a cute little flyer inside hinting that it's time for a refresh. And there is a really cute spring cleaning checklist in here, using, of course, all your favorite Scentsy cleaning products. So I think that might be a hint as to what else is in the box. As always, fun packing bubbles of air. Oh, and a bonus product. This is adorable. So if you've been getting Whiff Box for a while, you'll remember that last spring we had some really cute Swedish dishcloths with a fun citrus pattern on them. This year we also have a Swedish dishcloth, it's hard to say 10 times fast, with these really cute mermaids and mermen. It's adorable. I love it, and will definitely make spring cleaning a lot more fun and whimsical. I will definitely laugh as I clean. So I guess the cat's out of the bag. This is a spring cleaning themed box. It includes counter clean in Make a Splash with all of the fun little mermaids and men. Very, very cute. Counter clean, of course, is amazing on counters and sealed surfaces. So if you have laminate counters, it's great. If you have granite counters, all good. Quartz counters, fantastic. Marble, I have not tried it on. If it's sealed, should be okay. I also use it though on my appliances, including stainless steel. It gets rid of all the grimy handprints. Not that my kids leave handprints, but I think you know what I mean. I also use it on shoes, use it on the interior of my car, including like the carpet, the upholstery, the dash, if you have leather or pleather seats. It's great on all of that. I like to, in the car, apply it to a cloth first and then polish, and it works fantastic. Unless, of course, it's on a fabric. Then I spray directly on the fabric and scrub it either with a damp cloth or a scrub brush if appropriate for that material. So counter cleaner is really for a lot more than just counters. You will love this. And Make a Splash has melon and apple. It's really juicy and fresh and perfect for getting into spring. The next bottle in here is, it's got some paper stuck in the nozzle. That's fun. It's our bathroom cleaner. Now, I super love our bathroom cleaner because it takes the scrubbing out of your bathroom cleaning. This is fantastic on hard water stains, anything kind of icky in the corners and places. If you have like glass shower doors, you can spray this on and leave it for a couple minutes, and then literally take your mermaid cloth and wipe it down, and it has citric acid in it, and that is what eats away all the ickies. I also love using this product to clean my window tracks. So in the springtime, we like to open up all the windows on that first warm day, but the tracks are gross, especially if you live in a somewhat older home. My home is pushing 20 years, so not very old. My last house was 50 years old and it was really gross. These ones are a little gross, but even if they're not gross yet, we want to clean them and maintain them and keep them up, right? So this is great for window tracks, window screens. The next goodie in here is our dish soap. Okay, I have a fun hack for you. Save your pump from your Scent Soft fabric softener. It fits perfectly in this dish soap container, and then you can leave this on your kitchen counter with the pump in it. It makes it for really easy dispensing. This one is in Cloudberry Dreams. Oh, and the bathroom cleaner was Coastal Sunset, which is still one of my favorites from last summer. It's fantastic. It's got the coconut, the tropical vibes, but it's not overly coconutty. I don't know, it's really soft and pleasant, and I just love it. Cloudberry Dreams has some peach, some raspberry, other good stuff. This is fantastic. You could also use a drop of this in your mop bucket to clean your floors. But it's really, really great. It has enzymes in it that eat away any baked on nasties in your casserole dishes or anything like that. A little really goes a long way. Like with all of our products, it's really concentrated and really effective. So it lasts a while. The last product in this month's box is a bar, a full bar of the scent of the month, Hey Tiger Lily. Now this is a great one. It's been selling like crazy. It is a really great mix of fruity and floral. They did it last year with Plumeria Peach. They did it again with Hey Tiger Lily. I don't love florals, but this is a really perfect blend of floral and fruity. They just complement each other so well. So the entire retail value in this box, $13 for counter clean, Canadian prices of course, $11 for bathroom clean, that's $24, $12 I believe for dish soap, so we're at $36. The bar is $8, so we're at $44. And then the cloths are not something that we sell retail, but I believe their value is about $3. So you're looking at around a $47 value in this month's Whiff Box for $40 Canadian. But if you're smart, you will put Whiff Box in your Scentsy Club. The Whiff Box alone will get you to your 10% discount. So you could get a Whiff Box every single month for 10% off and shipped right to your door. Or if you have a lot of other things in your club, like some people, you could even get your Whiff Box for half price. So if your total club order is at least $79 Canadian, not hard to do at all, you can choose a half price item. And I always choose and always recommend getting the Whiff Box. That would be $20 that you would spend on $47 worth of product this month. It's fantastic. If there's ever something in it that you don't love, it makes for a great gift as well. So really great value, really great theming this month with spring cleaning, even though it does not look like spring here today. It will definitely get me in the mood and give me a little bit of motivation to get cleaning. I hope that you will have a great day, great evening, great weekend, whenever you're watching this. And that's all. Have a good one.